Hi everyone, hope you are doing well. Welcome to Shanti Ghosh videos. There's a very good news. Our card payment has resumed and morning I have paid through card, MasterCard, and it was successful. My dear friend, please note there is some change in the format. There is a new format. So please listen carefully. I'll describe the process so you can try it. Okay. And I'll give the very important information in this video. Okay. So please listen. First, please log into OES, and if you are a founder, please check that your my wallet balance is 107. Okay, so you have to pay 143. This you please verify. Okay, if you are a founder. If you are not founder, then you have to pay 240 US dollar. Okay, my dear friend, please go to marketplace, click that, and you will find the OConnect logo, and there is a tab get it now. Please click there. Once you click it, you will get the full details that your balance is 107 and total payable in OCoin is 143, means 143 US dollar you have to pay. Please confirm that. Okay, now you have to continue with that. So you have to confirm the order, and you are paying through card already. That through card it is tick mark is there. Okay, so card will explain, otherwise you can pay through crypto also. Okay, so card. Okay, once you click that confirm order, it will show ONPASSIVE technology is requesting you have to pay US dollar 143. Yeah? You are a founder, so you have to pay 143. Then you have to click the continue button, continue to pay. Once you done so, that order details will come, and you have to provide the card number, expiry date, CVV number, and as a card holder, whoever is paying, that card holder names, you have to put the full name, you have to put the address, and new thing is added, you have to put the phone number. My dear friend, please note that this phone number, whatever cards you are having, no, the phone number I have given, okay, that phone number please provide. Okay, then you continue, click that, and it will be successful. In my case, OTP didn't come. Some other cases OTP may come. If OTP comes, you have to fill that OTP and submit. Okay, so it will be successful. In my case, in first instance, it is successful. I am having multiple accounts. Few of the accounts I've already subscribed on September 2nd, 3rd, 4th, like that. Okay, and after the whatever issue is there, now today I have done one account. I am in some other accounts, and I'll wait for tomorrow or so, let the system be stabilized. Okay, and my dear friend, let us say successful, fine. If it is not successful, no, one let's payment got cut, don't worry. Okay, wait for 24 hours or 48 hours, 2 days. Okay, so that will become smooth. And once you pay one account, no, for other account, please wait for some time and then try that. Okay, so it's a good news that it has resumed, and many things will happen. So don't worry, my dear friend, ONPASSIVE is a done deal. Thanks for watching. Thank you. Best wishes. All the best.